Welcome back to our channel Jalandara Finance. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: personal finance. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Alright, let's get started. Segment 1. Building a strong foundation. The first step in personal finance is building a strong foundation. This includes establishing an emergency fund, creating a budget, and managing your debt. Let's break it down. 1. Emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. Start by saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate bank account. This fund will help you weather unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs without going into debt. 2. Budgeting. Creating a budget is crucial for managing your money effectively. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed, rent, utilities, and variable, groceries, entertainment, costs. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and prioritize debt payments. There are various budgeting apps and tools available to assist you in this process. 3. Debt management. Debt can be a significant burden on your finances. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit cards or personal loans. Consider using the snowball or avalanche method to tackle your debts systematically. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, while the avalanche method focuses on the highest interest rate. Choose the strategy that works best for you. Segment 2. Growing your wealth. Now that you have a solid financial foundation, let's explore ways to grow your wealth. This includes investing, saving for retirement, and diversifying your income streams. 1. Investing. Investing allows your money to work for you and generate additional income over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider your risk tolerance and goals before deciding on the right investment strategy. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to seek professional advice or consider investing in low-cost index funds. 2. Retirement savings. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or other pension plans offered by your employer. Take advantage of any matching contributions your employer offers, as it's essentially free money. The power of compounding interest over time can significantly boost your retirement savings. 3. Diversifying income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Look for opportunities to diversify your income streams. This could involve starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income through investments. Diversifying your income helps to safeguard your finances and provides additional financial security. Segment 3. Smart spending habits. While building wealth and growing your income are important, smart spending habits are equally crucial. Let's discuss some tips to optimize your spending. 1. Prioritize needs versus wants. Distinguish between needs and wants. Prioritize your essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation before indulging in discretionary purchases. This mindset shift can help you make more conscious spending decisions. 2. Comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, compare prices, quality, and reviews. Look for deals, discounts, and consider buying second-hand or refurbished items when appropriate. This practice can save you a significant amount of money over time. 3. Avoid impulse buying. Impulse buying can derail your financial progress. Implement a waiting period before making major purchases. This allows you to evaluate whether it aligns with your financial goals and if it's something you genuinely need. Conclusion. And that wraps up today's video on personal finance. Remember, building a strong financial foundation, growing your wealth, and practicing smart spending habits are key elements to achieving financial success. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be on your way to a more secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.